Today, we're creating a fun and high pitched chipmunk voice effect in just a few easy steps.
This is perfect for funny edits, prank videos, or creative voiceovers.
Let's jump in. First, import your audio clip into the timeline. You can do this by dragging your audio file directly onto the timeline or by importing it from the media panel. Next, select the audio clip and go to the right side editing panel. Make sure you're in the audio tab where you'll find various sound editing options. Now, scroll down and look for the voice changer section. Now you can also notice that we have voice characters tab. Click on it and you'll see a list of different voice effects. Here you'll find the chipmunk effect. Select it to instantly apply the transformation. Once applied, play back your audio to hear the difference. If needed, you can adjust other audio settings to further fine-tune the effect. And that's it.
You've successfully created a chipmunk voice effect in Filmora. It's a quick and easy way to add a comedic touch to your videos.
If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.